Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we break down all things beauty with a fresh, honest perspective. If you're on the hunt for that perfect brow product that offers precision and long-lasting wear, stay tuned. Today, we're diving into the Tarte Big Ego Sketch and Set Brow Pencil and Tinted Gel, a dual-action brow pencil that promises to give you the bold, defined brows you crave, all while being sweat-proof, smudge-proof, and long-lasting. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First, let's talk about the basics of this product. Tarte is known for creating clean, cruelty-free, and vegan-friendly makeup, and the Big Ego Sketch and Set Brow Pencil and Tinted Gel is no different. The pencil is available in various shades, with the one I'm testing being the dark brown, perfect for those with medium to deep hair tones. It's designed to sketch and define your brows with the pencil on one end, and then you finish with the tinted gel for a fuller, more natural look. The formula is something to note. It's designed to be smudge-proof and sweat-proof, meaning it should stay put throughout your busy day without budging. The tinted gel promises to hold your brows in place while giving them a fuller, more natural look with a nice bit of volume. Both the pencil and gel are easy to apply, making them suitable for both beginners and seasoned brow pros. I was really curious to see how well the pencil glided on, and I have to say, the application was smooth and precise. It's not too hard where it tugs at the skin, but it's also not so soft that you feel like you're not getting enough pigment. I used it to outline my brows and then filled in sparse spots, and it really did give that defined, yet natural effect I was hoping for. The gel on the other end is perfect for setting everything in place. It gives a nice finish without making the brows feel crunchy or stiff, which I absolutely loved. Now, how did this perform in real life? Well, I tested it through a full day of wear, from my morning routine to an afternoon workout, and I can confirm it lived up to its claims of being smudge-proof and sweat-proof. Even after a sweat session at the gym, my brows look just as sharp as when I first applied them. There's no flaking or fading, which is always a win in my book. That said, let's dive into the pros and cons. On the pro side, the Tarte Big Ego Sketch and Set Brow Pencil and Tinted Gel is super easy to use, with a smooth pencil that glides on without tugging. The gel sets everything in place and adds a natural fullness to the brows without looking too done. Plus, it holds up well throughout the day, even under challenging conditions like humidity or sweat. The cruelty-free and vegan formula is a big plus for conscious consumers. On the con side, while I loved the precision of the pencil, I felt like the color range could be slightly more inclusive for those with lighter or warmer brow tones. Also, the price point may be a little high for some, considering it's a two-in-one product. But if you're looking for long-lasting quality brows, it may just be worth the splurge. When it comes to value for money, this product definitely delivers if you're looking for something that can last all day and withstand sweat and smudging. However, if you're on a budget, there are alternatives that might suit your needs for less. Brands like NYX and Maybelline offer brow pencils and gels that perform well for a lower price. If you don't mind investing a little more for something with the added bonus of being vegan and cruelty-free, then the Tarte product is definitely worth it. As for build quality, the pencil feels sturdy and the twist-up design is convenient. The gel's spoolie brush is also a decent size, making it easy to apply without overdoing it. I didn't notice any issues with the longevity of the pencil or gel either. Both products held up well in terms of usage and effectiveness. Is this product for you? If you're after a smudge-proof, sweat-proof brow product that can give you defined yet natural brows, this could be your new go-to. It's particularly great for people who want a product that can handle a busy day and stay intact, whether you're running errands, heading to work, or hitting the gym. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching today's review. If you've tried the Tarte Big Ego Sketch and Set Brow Pencil and Tinted Gel, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts, and feel free to share any tips or tricks you've picked up for perfect brows. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.